guys, it's Rick. Welcome back to the HC Vibe channel. If you'd like to see more tips, tricks, rides, reviews, installs on my Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles, as well as information about motorcycles and the motorcycle community at large, I ask that you please hit the subscribe button. And when you do subscribe, please leave a comment down below saying I subscribe so I can personally reach out and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I do put out new content. So today we're going to be revealing the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat that I recently received in the mail from Saddlemen. In addition, I'm going to do a comparison to some Harley-Davidson stock and other seats, as well as give you my first impressions on this Road Sofa LS. And we'll get into it right after this. We're talking about the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat that Saddlemen was kind enough to send out to me recently. I'm going to be running this on the 2015 Street Glide Special. Let me tell you just a little bit about this seat. And again, I have no first-hand experience on this, so this is really going to be my first impressions of the seat. And then a little bit later, once I get some seat time with this, I'm going to come back and give you another review on it. But let me just give you a little bit of information about this. So the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat is a touring seat for your Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles. Now they also have a version of this that fits Indian. So for any of you out there that have Indian motorcycles, there is a seat for you as well in this same version. So as with many of the Saddlemen seats, this seat does have the Gelcore Technology, which reduces vibration from the engine, as well as reducing the vibration and the impact of hitting bumps and potholes and expansion joints when you're actually out on the ride, to extend your ride and making it more comfortable. So as you know, on the 2015 Street Glide Special, I've updated the rear suspension to Legends Revos. And now with this Road Sofa LS seat, I feel like I'm going to be able to take some really long trips and continue to be comfortable. And if you recall, on the 2019 Road King Special, I installed the San Diego Customs Pro Touring seat by Saddlemen on that. That also has a Gelcore technology. And if you recall, the primary reason that I switched to the Saddlemen type seat on the Road King Special, and now I'm excited to have being able to switch over to the Saddlemen Road Sofa on the Street Glide Special, is because I have tailbone issues. And with those stock seats, they're just foam. And as that foam breaks down, essentially it's sitting you down on the frame of the bike and you don't have much support. Now, as you probably have heard from many people, that the Saddlemen seats are typically firmer than either your Harley stock seats or some other seats that are out in the marketplace. And that's primarily because they do have the Gelcore technology built into them. But I think about it like this. For me personally, if I sleep on a fluffy mattress, I get aches and pains all over. But if I sleep on a gel foam mattress that's a little bit firmer, I feel great when I wake up. So I think, and the experience I've had with the San Diego Custom seat with that Gelcore technology, is I can actually ride longer. I don't have tailbone issues. So I'm expecting the same out of this seat and probably even a little bit more comfort. So just let me talk through a couple of things on this Road Sofa LS. So as you can see, it's pretty narrow in through here, which I think will get your legs closer into the bike. And for those of us who may be a little inseam challenged, this is going to get your feet more squarely planted on the ground because you're not pulling your legs out as part of the seat. It does have a fairly high lumbar support, which I think is going to be good for those long rides. Now there is an option on these to actually get the backrest. I opted not to go with the backrest version. This just has the lumbar support as well as the gel technology here and in the passenger pillion. Now if you look at the passenger pillion itself, this is got a lot of cushion here for your passenger, but it also kind of comes in here. Right along here, so that again the passenger's legs and hips are not spread unnaturally, so that you do get a more comfortable ride, I believe, in my opinion. So this is the LS, or the lattice stitch design. It does have a diamond stitch pattern through the main seat portion. I opted to go with just black stitching. You do have options to pick the stitching if you order directly from saddlemen.com. You also have an option to select your stitching on the Saddlemen emblem, which is in the lumbar portion. In this case, since I have it on the Street Glide Special, which is the brilliant pearl silver, I went with actually silver stitching in here to match the bike. So you have that same lattice stitch in the passenger pillion area as well. So now let's compare this to the stock Street Glide Special seat, and I have a couple of other Harley-Davidson seats that I want to compare this to and show you some of the differences. So for comparison purposes, I have 3 seats here. First, I have the Harley-Davidson hammock heated seat. In the middle here is the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS heated version. And on my left, your right, is the Harley-Davidson stock seat for the Street Glide Special. So in looking at these seats, you can see the hammock seat is much wider through the seat area and has a much lower lumbar support in the back. It does have an opening for a backrest if you like. And then you can see, as it compared to the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS, it is much narrower in through the area that goes into the tank. Again, as I said, bringing you a little closer into the bike, which makes it easier to get flat-footed on the ground. It's also, from here to here is a little bit longer. Now this is not the reach seat, which actually gives you, I think, 1 inch longer of pullback from the handlebars and the tank. This is the regular version. They do have the extended reach version for those that are taller and have longer legs. So now if you compare this to the stock seat, again, the stock seat actually is probably a little bit wider in through this area here. It does have a little bit higher lumbar than does the hammock seat, so it's not bad. Now I will tell you the passenger pillion area on this stock seat as compared to the road sofa, as you can see here, the stock seat is much narrower. It doesn't provide for much padding. I mean, honestly, this seat is not really made to have a passenger ride on here for any time at all with the stock seat. And as you can see on the Saddlemen version, it is a pretty wide here through the pillion area. And it does, as you can see, it kind of concaves in through here to give that passenger not spreading their hips out, to make it a more comfortable ride for them. And again, making it easier for them to put their feet on the rear pegs or the floorboards. And again, as you can see, here is the silver stitching of the Saddlemen emblem on this seat that I had custom made. And again, when you order these from Saddlemen, you can select what color stitching you want in the diamond pattern, and you can select stitching here. And then if you do have any special requests, Saddlemen can customize some stitching in the back if you like, and a lot of different color combinations. This is sort of a perforated, it is leather, but the perforations are in here where the diamond stitch is, and it is smooth on the sides. And again, you can kind of see on this seat how narrow that is in through there compared to the stock seat, and certainly compared to the hammock seat by Harley-Davidson. Again, I will tell you the hammock seat, for me, especially this being the heated version, I would typically run this in the winter time to give you just a little bit of extra heat. I will say this seat sits you up a little bit higher than the stock seat that comes with the Street Glide Special, but I don't think the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS is going to sit me up as high as the hammock seat, and it's going to sit me down in the seat. And again, with this Gelcore technology that they have built in here, I think this is going to be a really comfortable ride. Now, as I said, this is the heated version, and it has dual heat control, both for the driver and the pillion. And you can see the switches for that heat is right here and right here. Stock seats are just foam in through the entire portion of the seat, and it's pretty soft. And as I said in my previous video, this does begin to break down. And once that starts to break down, essentially you're kind of going down to the pan on these seats, which again, these seats do not give you much support. And so my contention is that's why I was getting tailbone problems. And I've not been having that with the other Saddlemen seat I have on the Road King Special, which has the Gelcore technology. You can see again, the underneath of this is all carpeted. There's rivets. So this seat is all leather, and it actually does come with this rain cover that's included with your purchase of this seat, so that when you do leave the bike outside overnight, this will keep dew and keep that moisture from seeping into this leather. What I'm gonna do now is actually put this Roadsofa LS on the Street Glide Special and just give you my thoughts as they come to me once I sit on this seat and get it all set up. So guys, I've got the seat on the bike. This also comes with a rubber type gasket that goes between the bracket and the bike so that you don't scratch your rear fender, and it just slips over that bolt insert there. But I will tell you, it is definitely a firmer seat than the Harley hammock or the stock seat, but the seat feels very comfortable. It is firmer. I do like the lumbar support area. I feel like this does put me in a good riding position. And as I said, since the seat is narrow in through the tank area, you can get your feet. So I actually have the bike up right now on a jack stand. So it's a little bit higher than normal. But I can, again, I'm 5'10". I can stand in flat foot and have just a little bit of space between me and the seat. But from a riding position perspective, this seat feels really good. I feel like it puts my legs in a good position to have good, comfortable long rides. My arms feel as though they're in a good position, so I think the height of this is very good for me. And again, just for reference, I am 5'10", and this feels very comfortable. Now again, like I said, you can get the reach version, so if you wanted to be set back just another, I think it's about another inch, you can order that as well. This does come in a heated or a non-heated version. Again, I do have the heated version. Both of your heat controls are on the left side of the bike. There are separate controls for the rider as well as the passenger. I believe there's 2 settings on that, a high and a low. From what I understand, the low pretty much keeps you plenty warm. From my first impressions, a very quality constructed seat, just like what the San Diego custom Saddlemen seat that I have on the Road King Special. And I look forward to putting many, many miles on this seat once we actually get some warm weather here in the Midwest again. So with that, we're gonna wrap it up here, and I'm gonna leave you with this. Life is short, get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.